Okay, box hill south, and there's a hive in the brick pillar. Fun. Haven't been here too long, but to get it out, it's a matter of pulling bricks out down this face because we can't. But it couldn't destabilise. Anyway, yay. Okay, I'm pulling this beehive out of the brick pillar. I've got a little light today, which makes life easier. Moved in 2 days ago, so don't expect to see much in here. There is a beam, obviously, that we don't want to fall, so we've got to be careful. But we'll pull out bricks where it's safe and to access them. Okay, best news all day. The bricks aren't holding up the beam. There's a steel post, which is great news. Except for the fact the bees are wrapped around the steel post, but it means I can take bricks out a bit more willy-nilly. Given there's a steel post, I need to, because I need to be able to get to all the bees. Oh well, win and lose, I guess. Okay, there's not halfway yet, but we're getting close. So awesome. Okay, heaps out, but a whole bunch have gone down, which worries me. It may indicate queen has gone down or fallen. Yay. I'll have to take some more bricks out regardless. Okay, so don't know if you can see it, but there's a huge cluster of bees all the way at the bottom. That tells me that Queenie is all the way down the bottom. So an easy job got hard. Okay, we have to take most of the wall out because somewhere down in here is the queen.
Still there, up there, still in there.
Yeah. So, yay. Okay, so it was a lot harder than we thought it would be because the queen fell down the bottom and I had to go chase her. But no bees left in the cavity. Queen and all the bees are in the box. I didn't worry about caging her, she was too low down to get a cage too, so I just vacuumed her. But my gosh, that's an example of what is expected to be a simple, easy job becoming really, really hard.